and Mershon Chase at Brandon Farms, an expanded Vandenberg model on over a third of an acre, a full brick front 2-car garage, and features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with a full walkout English sunlight basement with ample storage and utility area. The attached oversized 2-car garage features automatic openers, keyless entry, and interior access to the first floor mudroom laundry room, complete with washer and gas dryer. There's a manicured yard with specimen plants with the front walkway leading to the main entrance. The home is located on a premier park-like setting, backing to the towering tree line, an open recreation field, and a custom pressed concrete patio with a hot tub. This stately home features a 2-story, open-entry foyer with decorative chandelier, ceramic tile flooring, decorator wall tones, and leads way to the formal living room, with recessed lighting and walkout bay windows. The adjoining dining room features toned walls, a decorative chandelier, recessed lighting, and a walkout bay window and kitchen access. The gourmet eat-in kitchen boasts ceramic tile flooring, recessed lighting, 42-inch white cabinets with crown trim and accent hardware, granite countertops, double stainless undermount sinks, upgraded faucets, mosaic tile backsplash, all appliances, microwave, dishwasher, sub-zero refrigerator, and a center island with granite countertops, pendant lighting, pantry storage, and a dinette area. The expanded Great Family Room boasts recessed and access lighting, Berber-style carpeting, toned walls, gas remote fireplace with mantel, marble surround, and floor-to-transom windows with custom 2-inch wind blinds. The dinette area opens to a sunroom with full-length windows with 2-inch blinds, framing wooden views, double skylights, ceramic tile floor, and a French-style sliding door leading down to the rear yard patio. The turn staircase is open and leads way to the second-floor hallway loft area, which overlooks the foyer. Double doors lead to the expanded master bedroom suite, which boasts a vaulted ceiling with ceiling fan, recessed lighting, custom wall tones, and a standard walk-in closet, in addition to the recently designed and custom dressing room closet with built-in shelving, center island with drawers, cabinets and electrical outlets, sliding mirrored doors revealing shoe cubbies, and a decorative chandelier. The private expanded master bathroom with volume ceiling features a cornered garden tub, double vanities with one-piece counter sinks, and a shower and toilet alcove. There are 3 additional bedrooms with ample closet space, all the recessed lighting, one with a ceiling fan, all with wall-to-wall carpeting, and all closets have interior lighting. The main full bath features a vanity with one-piece counter and double sinks and a tub and shower and skylight. As we end our tour, know that this home has a sprinkler system, a hot water heater from 2020, an air conditioning unit from 2016, and a roof from 2019. It also has a security system for that added peace of mind. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual open house by the Sue Fowler Team. Reach out to us in the contact information in the description of this video. We look forward to seeing you soon.